Hey folks, Aaron here from Beansprout. I have a tenor scale banjo to show you. So that's a 17-inch scale, like a tenor ukulele, on a 10-inch banjo rim. And I really like these. They're just that kind of step up from a normal size banjo uke, and it's just got a little more depth and roundness to the sound, and it just feels. I also just like the symmetry and the look and feel of this model. It's really nice. So the rim is made from some curly maple that's got some ant holes in it. It's from my friend Ben's property, and I really like the bug holes in it. It's got a good pink color to it, which I think is pretty cool. And then an extra curly maple neck to go along with it. Then we got some walnut up front here. There's just some local walnut from here in Hood River. And we got our little leaf inlay with a little bit of engraving there. Goatskin head, no tone ring. It's got a pickup, and it's strung low G. And I happen to have it strung or tuned right now to G, C, E, G, but it doesn't matter. This thing just kicks butt. Very cool, and it fits in a mandolin case, which is pretty nice. For these 10-inch rims, I have to definitely make my own tension hoops, because there's not really a good commercially available one for that. So that's fun for me. I do this old style where you overlap them down here and rivet it together. I like the look of that kind of old-timey way to do a tension hoop. So that's number 1016, ready to go. Cheers.